Sir, I want to become a lawyer. Okay, my first question is why? When you tell you want to become a lawyer, what is the reason? What is your motivation to become a lawyer? Where do you see yourself after 5 years? Answer these questions before even you start figuring out you want to become a lawyer. You will tell, I have watched Suits, I have watched many web series regarding law, and I'm more fascinated about it. I want to get into it. No, law is not about movies, law is not about web series. It is much more than that. Now, the most premium exam in India right now, CLAT. Many people think I will take science, but CLAT is much more easier. I will attempt it. My friends, CLAT is not an easy exam. It has its own struggles. This exam happens in the month of December. Fine. But when do you start your preparation? You cannot start all of a sudden before a month of the exam telling, okay, now I want to start CLAT. Let us start the preparation. Now, will it happen that way? It's not your school exam where the previous day you study and write the exam with 100% marks. Now, this exam requires efforts, requires consistent practice. Yes, underline the word consistent practice. No, without consistent practice, if you just go to the exam, yes, you will be able to read the passage, you will be able to answer questions, but not become the topper, not crack the exam. You will be just able to write the exam. There is a difference between cracking and writing. Don't do two things at a time. Sir, I want to do science, I want to do NEET preparation, I want to do JEE preparation, I also want to take up CLAT because that's my interest. You figure out what is your interest first. Have a clarity. Only then step into it. Don't do multitasking. Things won't work as you expected. Now, this exam happens in the month of December. It has 120 marks for 120 minutes. 5 sections: legal, current affairs, critical, verbal, and your points. And marks are distributed across this. Many people question, sir, mathematics I hate. But the fun fact, mathematics is the easiest thing to score in CLAT. It is not very difficult if you just understand the pattern of the paper. The one thing which students come back and tell, yes sir, mathematics was easy, but I did not have time. It means you have not learned the skill of managing time. I will write CLAT. I will score a mark. Okay, great. So will I get into national law schools? Everyone obviously cannot get into national law schools. Then what is my plan B, sir? Plan B is to stay focused in law. There are other entrances also which can give you a similar or a much more higher exposure in law. To name a few, ILET, SLAT, then you have Alliance, Jindal, and many more. Now, all these colleges are also very well reputed, and it can give you the similar kind of exposure what you can get in CLAT. What it requires? Efforts, pure efforts, your hard work and struggle. So, will I not be able to crack these exams without efforts? Come on, students. Right now, if you want anything, put your efforts there, you will get it. There is no shortcuts to success. Now, I have counseled a lot of people. I have come across an n number of scenarios. But the one thing, simple thing which I would recommend is read, practice, repeat. That's it. It's as simple mantra as that. Read, practice, repeat. The same thing I have said twice. It should have got stored in your mind right now. The video, you might watch it right now. You might think it as a motivational video. But the fun fact, it's not a motivational video. It is going to be an eye-opener to you that this is the reality. Come back. Don't fly. Come back to the reality. So if you're starting your CLAT preparation this financial year or for the upcoming year, take it up seriously. Do consistent study every day. 1 hour of preparation or 2 hours of preparation. Consistently put it. Don't skip your preparation, procrastination. Hope this video has given you a clarity. Who should take CLAT and why should you take CLAT? How to take CLAT, right? So if you like this video and if it made sense to you, to click on the subscribe button like and share this video to more of your friends who are still in this dilemma. I'll come up with a new video which will give you much more clarity on how to crack each and every paper in CLAT. Until next time, signing off, Lakshman.